Garlic has long been celebrated not just for its culinary uses but also for its impressive health benefits, particularly in fighting off colds and the flu. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind garlic's flu-fighting power and why adding this potent ingredient to your diet can bolster your immune system. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases a compound called allicin, which transforms into allicin, the key player in garlic's health benefits. Allicin is known for its strong antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it a formidable ally against respiratory infections. Studies have shown that individuals who consume garlic regularly experience fewer colds and shorter durations of illness. For instance, one study found that participants taking garlic supplements had a 63% lower risk of catching a cold compared to those on a placebo. Garlic does more than just ward off illness, it actively enhances immune function. Research indicates that garlic stimulates the activity of various immune cells, including macrophages and natural killer cells, which play crucial roles in fighting infections. By incorporating garlic into your meals, you can help your body mount a stronger defense against viruses and bacteria that cause colds and flu. To maximize the benefits of garlic, consume it raw or lightly cooked. This helps preserve allicin and ensures you get the most out of this powerful ingredient. In addition to its immune-boosting properties, garlic also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. Garlic helps reduce inflammatory markers in the body, promoting better overall health and resilience against infections. Adding garlic to your diet is simple and delicious. Consider incorporating fresh garlic into salad dressings, marinades, or roasted vegetables. You can also enjoy garlic in soups or stews for added flavor and health benefits. For those who prefer a supplement form, aged garlic extract is available and has been shown to provide similar immune-boosting effects. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine could be one of the easiest ways to enhance your health and fight off colds and flu. With its potent antiviral properties and ability to strengthen the immune system, garlic is truly a superfood worth celebrating. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add this flavorful ingredient to your meals. Your body will thank you.